Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places to explore. Join us as we share those adventures with you.
That includes the food, the places, and the people we meet. In general, our rich culture. This is YaadMentz. Season 2. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Season 2. Yes, I'm so excited about this season. I don't know why, but I'm excited. You're excited?
Yep, I'm excited. Are you excited?
We are excited. Yes, and we're happy that we're sharing all these videos with you again. And today we have some challenge that she found on the internet. So explain to them what this challenge is about.
You can see that he's already not about this challenge life, but I think this will be a cool challenge. So today we're doing the Whisper challenge. So I've seen this challenge going around on YouTube, and I thought it would be pretty cool for us to try it, and I thought it would be pretty hilarious as well because he can't read lips.
I'm not good at that. I'm not first in that. I need some lessons in reading lips.
Y'all, I bet y'all gonna have a big laugh today. So the Whisper challenge is basically I will have headphones in my ears and he'll be saying something to me. Headphones meaning the music will be blaring in my ears so I can't hear anything, and I have my phone and my headphones here going to be playing music, and he's going to say something to me and I have to guess what he's saying. So how we are doing ours is that we have 2 chances to guess. So if you don't guess it on the first chance, you have another chance to guess it. If you don't guess it, then you guess it wrong. And of course this is a competition, so you know I gotta win this. Alright, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Each of us have 5 different things that we're gonna say, and we'll see how it goes.
So if you want to see what happens and you want to see me lose, I'm not going to lose. Stay tuned.
I'm going to win. Stay tuned. Can you hear the music from here? It's really loud. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Am I looking at you? I get it.
Can you hear me? Remember, this is the last chance to get it.
Where's sir?
Can you hear me?
If I can hear you.
Yeah, exactly.
I get that one. I get that one.
Okay. Alright, so it's my turn.
Okay.
So he got that one on the second try.
Alright. She's got a load. She can't read it, you know? Alright, so.
What? What?
Say something.
You. What? You are John one daughter.
Yeah. So that's 1-1. That's 1-1. We're going.
I feel like I'm talking so loud.
Not talking that loud. Alright, my time again.
Yep. What you do to your ear? What you do to your ear? What you do to your ear? What you What you do to your ear?
What you what?
I'm gonna go slow. What? Say it.
What?
Yo.
Yo.
Do.
Yo. I get it wrong?
Wait. Let's start over.
Okay.
What? Yo. Do.
I don't know. I'm gonna give up on that one. I don't know that.
Alright, take it out.
What you say?
I said, what you do to your hair?
Oh.
So I was trying to say, what you do. Alright. So that's... Alright.
So that's, yeah.
Oh, okay. He didn't get that one.
No. Okay. Your time.
This music is so low. You like my hair?
That was easy.
I told you I'm gonna win, so that's 2-1. You like green mango? You like green mango?
You like green mango?
You got it right. So that's what, 3?
No, that's two. I just get that one.
Yeah, I mean, that's the third time I was asking.
Right.
Where you live?
Where you live, basically.
I feel like he's giving me easy. I feel like he's giving me
Okay,
easy.
all right.
I'm just saying.
All right.
Like, it's the competition. The ball is in your court. You're hungry?
You hungry?
Yeah.
So that's 3-3.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
You would say you need to get. Yeah, that's okay.
Oh my god. What?
Today I sat there.
You're just saying ja.
No, I'm not. Today I sat there.
You.
No. Today I sat there.
Talk.
Today I sat there.
Why are you crossing your eyes at me?
Today I sat there. Guess no?
You?
No, just guess a phrase. Today I sat there.
I don't know what you're saying. I give up.
Okay, I give up. Today I sat there.
Like, what is that? I was like, what are you saying, bro? All I'm saying is yeah. I'm thinking of something to say. I have to make it hard so that I can lose. Because we're tired right now. What you want to eat?
What you want to eat?
Ah! Really? I feel like him hear me.
No, I didn't hear it. For real.
Alright, this is the last one, right?
Last one, yeah.
Me love the beach.
I guess that was like, I don't know.
Wait, that mean we're tied?
Yeah, that means a tie.
So we have to do one last one to break the tie.
Alright, so okay.
I'm trying to think of something hard, but I feel like he's gonna get this. We are pre-muffa.
What me I pray for?
So if I lie, you know, so I feel like you tricked me though.
No, I'm not tricking you. Like, for
You
real,
did
like,
trick me.
I'm not a good lip reader. Telling the truth, like for real. Alright.
Huh?
2. YaadMentz season 2. YaadMentz season 2. YaadMentz season 2.
Can you stop doing your face like that? Can you just stop?
YaadMentz season 2.
You ready?
Yeah. YaadMentz season 2. YaadMentz season 2.
You miss seeing me?
No. One more try.
YaadMentz season 2. Woo! Was that low?
Yeah, you were.
I'm sorry.
So what do you think? I mean, that's basically.
Alright, you know that I won anyway in real life.
Alright, so.
We're tied. But this was fun though. It was actually hilarious. Like it was really hard.
Yeah, it
like
was
I thought it was gonna be easy, but like I had to be like, I was like, the one when said about sat there, I had to be like, what?
Today I sat there.
What?
Today I
What?
sat there. She never got that one.
I was like, what are you saying?
She almost didn't get the last one. YaadMentz season 2. She was like.
Because you like it, you keep saying. And I'm like, are you really saying the word? Like, can they actually hear what you are saying?
Yeah, I mean, I was saying it so that they can hear it. So yeah.
You're crazy.
Yeah.
But anyway, we had fun doing this challenge. You guys should play this at like a party or like a gathering that you have with friends or, you know, with your family.
Yeah.
This will be hilarious.
True.
So you guys should really try this. It's actually harder than it looks. Or maybe it looks hard. I don't know how we look, but I hope we don't look too fool. But anyway, we had fun today.
Yeah.
Doing this whisper challenge. We hope you guys enjoyed our video. And remember to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment, and to follow us on
Instagram at YaadMentz.
And we will see you in more videos from YaadMentz
Coming
season 2. Coming soon. We'll see you soon.
Stay tuned.
Later.
Subscribe.
Thank you.